Hello guys, today we are making a really special saucy lobster. Before we start, check for the quantities of the ingredients in the description. Let's start with 2 lobsters of approximately 300 grams each. Cut the shell and clean it well. On high flame, place the pan with 750 ml of water. Add garlic, crushed pepper, salt, half sliced lime, turmeric powder and some curry leaves. Boil well. Add the lobster. Cook for 12 minutes on medium flame. Take it out and set aside. Take a fresh pan set on medium flame. Add vegetable oil, butter, finely chopped garlic, green chilies and curry leaves. Saute for 1 minute on medium heat. Then add some pepper. Add the boiled lobster soup. To this, add salt, vinegar, soya sauce and mix well. Spread over the cooked lobster. Serve it hot and enjoy this delicious dish.